Today. What region of the Philippines did we learn today?
Region 6.
Okay.
Mama, how do you write for
Okay, Jedi, Region 6. What is Region 6 known for?
For the sugar bowl, the lychee thingy,
Lychee, rambutan.
and mangoes,
Okay.
and the sugar bowl.
What does sugar bowl of the Philippines mean?
That means it has a lot of sugar cane.
Why sugar cane? Why do you refer to sugar cane as sugar bowl? What do you do with sugar cane?
You make it sugar.
Turn it into sugar. Okay, which province is the sugar bowl of the Philippines? Which of those provinces? What's that name?
Negro o Kakakapupu?
Negros
Negros o Titata?
Occidental. Which province in the Western Visayas or in Region 6 is the mango capital of the Philippines?
I'll memorize. Even though it's small, it's this one. Gamburido.
Gima?
Gima. I'll memorize it. Whoopsies.
Gima what?
Gima.
Gima.
Gimaras.
Okay.
And then Iloilo is the one that does a lot of halo-halo.
Does it say there's halo-halo? No. Okay. So, what legend or what myth did you learn about Western Visayas or Sulud?
About how the world was made.
Okay, according to their legend or myth pala, it's also known as the alamat ng ulan or the myth of the rain, how the rain was formed. Okay, according to them, how did the world begin? How was the world created?
Can I just say about the rain?
Okay.
The rain was made by the gods. The gods cry for his wife.
Why did he cry for his
Because
wife?
she is lost. That's the thunder. The rain is his tears.
The thunder is his
Voice.
wailing for his wife. Okay, what's the name of the god? Tungkong
Tungkong
la
Tungkong la gamit.
Tungkong langit.
Tungkong lang.
What's the name of the girl?
I forgot.
Alu.
Alu.
What's the name of the girl? Alun.
Alun.
Alun. Si. Alun Sina.
Alun sila.
Why did he lose his wife?
Cause she was angry. He didn't let they just used his ideas.
The wife was angry because only
Mama,
he did. What did the husband do?
the husband,
Created the world.
yeah, like it was just it was dirt, water, and air, and it was very chaotic. And then he fixed the world.
Without consulting his wife.
Yeah.
What's wrong with that?
Cause he didn't let his wife like do anything.
What happened to the wife?
She ran away into the abyss.
Why do you think the wife ran away? What did
'Cause
she feel?
bored and angry. She was not included. I think that's how Callie feels when we don't let her like see our things.